What's up YouTube, it's your boy Joey Max back with another banger, and in this video I'm going to be installing a new exhaust on a Nissan 400Z, the new Z, and I'm going to show you guys why I recommend you guys should do it too.
As you guys can see, here's stock exhaust. I mean, that's like an 1.25 inches. That shit is fucking so tiny. So we're gonna be getting this off. He got a cap back, so it's literally gonna go from Y pipe back. But my finger next to this little ass pipe.
Cold start. Let it warm up for a little bit. Give it some revs. Rev it up. A little bit more. As you guys can see, we have the Z1 single exit here, and that's a 3-inch pipe, so it's gonna wake this car up a lot. Probably add it has a good 10 horsepower, maybe more. But yeah, we're gonna get this on, get this one pulled off, and we'll show you what it sounds like.
As you guys can see, you have a rubber grommet here. There's also one on this side here, and then as you come up further, you have one here. You can spray some PB in there to get her lubed up so she pops right out. You have one on this side, and then you have your 2 bolts there, and the full cap back will basically drop down. The way I like to take it off is, you see, you got a 12 bolt here, 12 bolt here. I like to pop those 2 off, and then you have 3 12s on this side, and then 3 12s on the other side, and then you obviously have your 2 14s there. So I take the 2 14s off there, and then I pop these 2 12s off, and then I pop the 3 12s off on this side, and the 3 12s off on this side, so then you get it all out. You don't have to fight the rubber grommets, you don't have to tear them. You could take them off all proper in your face. So let's go ahead and do that.
All right, guys. Got that off. Don't lose your nuts. Haha, get it? Haha. And then get it on this one. Both nuts off, leave them where you want them. And then now you're gonna grab a 12. Grab me the 12. As you guys can see, I like to grab my little snap-on gun with the 12 on it. 3-inch extension. And I like to break it loose first. Then hit it, grab your nut, throw it to the side, don't lose them. And then same on this side. Boom, boom. Now you have your last place holding it up is here and here. Normally I'll get one of my boys, they'll hold it up, or you could take these off last. But what I like to do is break it loose. Leave one in there for now. Put your bolts down. Gonna come to this side. I'm gonna do it like if it was one guy. Boom. Switch arms, come to this side. Now, watch your bumper, obviously. And come down, lift up, come out. Then you get your homeboy. Have your homeboy take it the rest of the way out. I mean, normally you could have him help you. I just want to show you that it could be done by yourself. And if this was my exhaust, I would have sent it out, because who the fuck cares? Alright, now let's get up. Now let me see. As you guys can see, look at the pipe difference. Super tiny. Nice single exit 3-inch. Yeah, I know it's being dispersed, but it's gonna wake this thing up a lot. And this cat back is super heavy versus this little guy right here. But let's get an open Y pipe cold start. The gasket's rattling a little bit. It's gonna come off. It's gonna self-remove. Rev it.
That's cool.
Alright, kill it. Huh?
Imagine that was poor.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video.
Yeah. Nah, bro, not the hanger. It's like a bracket. I didn't look into it at all.
Just so you guys know, so I slid it. I came in like this, slid it onto the Y pipe, and I got this nut thrown on here. Swap this whole grommet from the other side, and now I have Jake over here holding this up, and we're gonna get this. Go ahead and get this thrown on here.
Did you get a thread?
Let's see. Make sure you guys hand start all the bolts first. You see how I just finagled them?
Finagled. Fact check, finagled.
Watch your mouth, bro. Give me the 12. Get that bolt nice and tight. Back here. Make sure you guys go across them so they tighten evenly.
Clearance is not in there.
Oh, those are tight. Now,
Slightly, yeah. It's still clear though. Oh, we can still move it from Wi-Fi.
throw your nuts on the Y pipe.
Pause.
Grab me yeah, with the 14 on it. Don't forget to put your gasket in there. Tighten that. Come to this side. The hammer should really get a swivel, but I should be able to finagle it.
Oh, there you go.
Boom. Come back to this side. Nice and tight. I'm gonna go over and check them all by hand because I like to make sure they're tight. And I don't want this shit to round them.
That would definitely burn.
You think so?
Make sure that shit tight.
Exactly like that.
All right, boys. Double check everything. Let me see. See, we got the grommet up there. We got that mounting bracket back. You got this one all tight, this back. And then there are your two bolts. And once you get a video of it and see how she looks. There it is after. Yeah. Go. Alright, see you guys later. How do you feel, sir?
I don't know. Let's go rip on this piece of shit.
Alright. Yeah, we gonna got the little Civic. We gonna got the little Civic.
He thought that little bump exit gonna do something. I said, go shake it, homie. I got boost too, homie. What's happening?
He's waiting for you.
Yo, should we? Fuck it, bro. I got to for the two,
Yeah,
right?
you gotta get
I have to for the two. Let's see if homie's with it.
He ain't with it though.
Scary, yeah.
Turn traction control off.
What do you think my left arm is doing? Bro, what a crazy I missed her too.
I know, I felt it. literally just ran the Z with a little
Bro, I
single
threw,
cam on 8 pounds.
bro, I threw third way too hard. Like,
And then-
I missed it, and then I was like,
know.
nah, bro, nah.
Trust it.
All right, we'll hit a little 1, 2, 3 on the way back. Bro, literally.
I'm trying to pump it, boy. Let me see the hand. Let me see the hand.
What you mean?
How you feeling? Let me see your hand.
A little bit.
A little bit. Anytime, bro.
That was artificial. That was artificial.
That was raw, bro. We literally,
Bro.
We literally just went out to hear the exhaust. Sounds good. First little dub, first kill.
Couldn't even hear it over that
I
shit,
know.
though, bro.
But we'll pick this back up when we pop this U-turn. Little 1, 2, 3. Mad shots, Jet. This shit ain't new to this, true to this, Jet. We ain't new to this, we true to this, Jet. Stock clutch, you know, they don't really like the aggressiveness. But sounds good. You can hear a little bit, definitely sounds better.
It's not crazy loud whatsoever, but.
Un single exit, la ley, papi, huh?
I don't know, what can I have some?
¿Tiene Honda?
Bro, this thing right here,
Brother.
¿Tiene Honda?
¿cómo dije, my friend? Huh?
My friend?
Bring the camera, huh? Okay. Today we have installed the single exit C1 on this 400Z. Shit, quiet, homie.
But that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and that is a single exit install.